Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the GREE air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, fan, and heating. Most users use the cooling mode of the air conditioner. For this reason, we will explain this mode first. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In cooling mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, then set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius. We change the speed of the air conditioner fan with the help of the fan button. The air conditioner fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. As the fan speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. If the fan sound in the bedroom bothers you, you can choose a low fan speed. We press the mode button to switch to the next mode of the air conditioner. A water drop symbol appears on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce humidity in the house. We press the mode button again, and the fan icon appears on the screen. This is the fan mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, you can set the temperature below 26 degrees Celsius. Selecting the fan speed as auto fan speed in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this case, the speed adjustment is done by the microprocessor. The outer unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, the fan button is pressed several times, and when the word fan out appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. In heating mode, the air conditioner must operate for 20-40 minutes for it to operate at nominal power. We switch to auto mode by pressing the mode button again. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. For example, if the temperature drops below 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode. And if it rises above it, it will operate in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. Now I will explain how to use the other buttons. Sometimes, when the weather is too hot, users set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can cause a cold. To prevent this from happening, you need to press the sleep button. When this button is pressed, a crescent, moon, and stars appear on the screen. In the sleep mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours, and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. You can use turbo button to intensify the cooling of the air conditioner. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner's fan speed increases to maximum, and after 15 minutes of operation in this mode, it returns to the previous mode. To exit this mode, you press the same button. We can use swing button to adjust and reduce the swing angle. You can see the outdoor and indoor temperature by pressing this button, temp, but this function is valid in some models. The light button is used to turn the display light of the air conditioner on and off. When the I fill button is pressed, the air conditioner temperature is measured according to the position of the remote control. When the X fan button is pressed after the air conditioner turn off, the fan runs at low speed for a while to dry the moisture of the evaporator. For example, we turn off the air conditioner and press the timer button, set the timer to 11 hours and press the timer button again. Our air conditioner will start after 11 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it is running, then press the timer button, set it to 5 hours with the help of the temperature buttons, and press the timer button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours of operation. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. In some countries, the Fahrenheit temperature system is used. To switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, you need to press the mode and temperature down buttons simultaneously while the remote control is in standby mode. If the temperature up and down buttons are pressed simultaneously for 3 seconds, the remote control is locked and the lock symbol appears on the screen. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again for 3 seconds. In cooling mode, when the timer and temperature buttons are pressed simultaneously, the energy saving mode is activated. To exit this mode, press the same button again. In heating mode, when the timer and temperature button are pressed at the same time, the 8 degrees heating function is activated. 8 degrees and this symbol appears on the screen. This function is a function designed to prevent the temperature from falling below 8 degrees Celsius in a residential building. To exit this mode, press the same buttons again. To turn on or off the Wi-Fi function, press the mode and turbo button at the same time. To exit this mode, press the same button again. Thank you for following us until the end.